Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Yes, it's a weekend. Welcome. Today in the weekend edition of Saturday, December the 14th, 2024, December the 15th, that's Sunday. We have here two regular puzzles. The medium Sudoku with 3 stars. This one I will solve in a minute. And for tomorrow evening, I will solve the Samurai Sudoku, the regular puzzle. We have a lot of puzzles for today. We have in this the puzzle page, with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 2 stars, 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, one with 3 stars, one with 4 stars, and the last puzzle is the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In the weekend edition, yes, it's last weekend we have no additional, but this weekend we have the additional with extra puzzles. For the Sunday, letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4-star Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. Yes, a lot of puzzles for the weekend. But the first puzzle I will do is the medium Sudoku. This will be number 9748. Yeah, 9748. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 printed digits. Cannot be a 3 stars, people. Well, should be a 1 star, because the 1 star puzzle has 27 printed digits. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle has always 25. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number? Yeah. Need an 8 here. Need a 9 here. Come on. 4. Yeah. 6. Need a 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. Need a 2 here. 2, need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Need a 5 here. Come on. 6, 1. Well, in this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, the 9, and the 6. We have 1, 9, and the 6 in the last column, so no 1 and the 9 and the 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 and the 9 and the 6 goes in these 3 boxes. Well, we have a 1 here, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So the 9 and the 6 are left. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Now 2 missing numbers now in the middle row. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes, and there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 7 goes there. The 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 8 should be there. Then let me see, 1, 4, 6. Well, in this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And we have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column and a 6 in the same column. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 4 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes and there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Well, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 3 and 8. I need a 3 there, okay. How about here, 1 and a 6. 2 missing numbers in this third column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those. Need a 6 there. Yeah. Need a 1 here. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 9 here. Come on. This is taking too long. In this big square, we need a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. So this box can't be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be 2 then. Alright. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, there only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. And there we have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the 4, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 and the 6, we have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 6 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and an 8. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then, let me see. 1 box left now in the last column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. Then 9, 6, and 8. Yeah. How about the 4 and the 7? Come on. Need a 7 here. Nine and a 6. Well, about the 1 then? Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 3. Need a 4. And I need a 6 here. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place level 6 should be there. 6 in the first row. 6 in the second row. So the third row. Only place level 6 should be there. 9 in the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. 2 missing numbers now in this third row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those. That means this box can't number yet 8 anymore because we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be at 3, and that box in the first row should be an 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing. The 4 to 5, the 6 to 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next. Now only 2 places. Level of 4. Could be here. Could be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in the middle column. So no 3 there. 3 supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers. Oh, wait. 6. No. 7. The 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3, the middle columm. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 7 goes there. And here we have 8 and the 9 are left. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 9, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 13 minutes. Well, told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes for 1 star. Turns out it's 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now.